Yo, what's going on, Fearless Gang? So today we're going to take a look at how you can make melodies super easily. This is a little hack, so let's jump right into it. Okay, so the first thing we're doing is we're going to get some basic piano chords down. Alright, we're going to make some quick bass notes here. Alright, so now we got a piano melody. It sounded pretty cool. We're just going to turn this off for now, but we're going to go back to it later. So what we're going to do with this is we're going to go ahead and find some kind of an ARP to use. I'm going to use Electra X. There's also some really good ones in Omnisphere and a lot of other plugins as well. So go ahead and find some kind of an ARP that you like to use. I'm going to go ahead and pick one out here. Alright, so once you find your ARP, go ahead and copy over the notes, and you can take out the bass notes as well that we had in the piano. And then find a good ARP sound. So what I found was this one. Okay, so I rose this up 1 octave, and another thing you can do is like throw halftime on it. So that could be a melody right in itself, but you could mix it in as well. So you could play with these and you can get different little effects with it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut out some of the lows in this melody. And then you can go ahead and turn your piano back on. You can either leave it as a piano or you can like pick another instrument, for example. So this is how it sounds with the piano. So you could pick out like some sort of a choir or something cool like that would work really well too. Anything that is like a pad or anything that's a little longer drawn out like that, that's going to hold the notes for a while. So let's see, I'll just pick one of these right now. For the choir though, I don't really want those higher notes playing, so I might just drop those back down. You could put some basic effects if you want to on these. I might put a little a cassette on here just to get rid of some of the highs. And what I'm going to do for this choir is I'm going to group this and I'm going to double it. So I'm going to press Control D on this, or Command D. I'm going to put a little bit to the left and a little bit to the right on these ones. Chop some of the lows out of this choir, and then you're pretty much good to go there. And then you could just throw drums on yours super quick and make it a whole song. boom, and it's really that easy. So you can see how you can take some simple chord progression, find a good arp, slap it in there, and then you could play around with halftime or mess around with the notes a little bit and get some crazy different melodies just doing it that way. And put some simple drums on it, and then you made a whole freaking beat. And then you even have variation. You can go back to the original chords you made on your piano or your choir or whatever you want to use there, and you could bring in the lead and take it back out, or bring in the piano and take it back out. It's all up to you. So I hope you guys liked that one. Hit the like button if you did. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here, because we're uploading daily videos and you're not going to want to miss out on them. And besides that, I'll be catching you again in the next one. Peace out.